Hey guys, today I'll be reviewing the DeWalt DWE 4011 small angle grinder with one touch guard. It's a 4.5, and we're going to do an unboxing and a review. So because I don't have a knife, I'm going to have to use a pair of scissors. I'm going to turn it over, do the other side. Just a common habit I do. I just open both sides just in case one side doesn't work. So don't say, well, that was unexpected. Or that was a waste of time. So I'm gonna... Okay. Well, we got a little box here. Oh Lord, there we go. The instruction manual. Here we go. Got the grinder with a guard. We got a side handle. We got an Allen wrench. Anything else? Because sometimes you might hide the blade from it. Oh, I think this is the blade maybe. Oh, yep, this is the blade. And this is a blade for grinding metal. This is for grinding metal. So I'm going to show you how to put the blade on the tool. I'm just going to use these so you can all see. Here's the tool. So, our Allen wrench, wherever it is, there it is, and we're gonna put it in a slot. Oh wait, and this is a backing. This is a 7/8 inch. This is a 5/8 inch spindle right here. Right here is a 5/8 inch spindle. And this is a 7/8 inch backing flange. And this is a grinding disc with a 7/8 inch hole. So we're going to put the 7/8 inch backing flange on there. And then we're going to put the grinding blade on the tool, on the backing flange. Tighten down hand tight. There's a spindle lock lever somewhere. That really all you need to do is tighten it down hand tight and you're good. If you're not so sure, you can depress the spindle lock. Press the spindle lock, and I think you put the Allen wrench in, and you would tighten it. And you can, if you push it in hard enough, you can tighten down the blade. Oh, I think maybe I put it on the wrong way. Because then you would have to grind like this. I think you're supposed to do it like that. You put the blade on the wrong way. Spindle lock. Press. So I'm going to loosen it up. This doesn't mean it still doesn't have a 7/8 inch hole. So I'm still going to put it on the 7/8 inch backing flange. And this does not come with a tool, which is really weird. Usually they come with a tool to tighten this down. but it doesn't. They give you an Allen wrench, which I don't know what the heck it's for. And they give you the blade. So this is the one. No buttons, just turn. Oh, hey, that's cool. All you do is you just turn the guard to where you want it. You can make it so the guard is pointing right there. And you would use it like this. Which it really wouldn't protect you. So like this would be a good angle if you're cutting. If you're grinding, maybe that might be a good angle. Like maybe that. Or I bet you this would be a pretty good angle for if you're grinding. But this is a grinding blade. It's for grinding metal only. Just metal. So if you try to grind mortar with this, you can't do it. You can only grind metal with this. But anyway, I'm going to go in the instructions and find out what the Allen wrench is for. So, we finally found out what the Allen wrench is for. We didn't even need the instructions. Look here. The Allen wrench fits in here. You push in the spindle lock lever, if I can even do it. And you can do it and undo it with this Allen wrench. And that's the end of this video. Bye.